Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I am share job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend and please subscribe my channel. And if you connect with me on social media, I give LinkedIn link in a description box. Please connect with us. Let's start our job update. Our first job as a software developer from from Ocean and experience need year 0 to 1 year of experience and the location is Noida, Ghaziabad, Delhi and Delhi NCR. Okay, and salary is not disclosed here and number of opening is 2. This is your job description and this is your responsibility and a skill required like C, C++, C Sharp, Java or Python and you must knowledge of concept and you must completed your bachelor master degree in computer science or equivalent. You must completed your BTech, MTech, BCA and MCA only. How you can apply on this job? You simply click apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is as data engineer from this company and location is Kolkata, West Bengal and Pune and Maharashtra. Okay, and experience need here 0 to 3 year of 3 year of experience and salary not disclosed here also. There are total one opening and this is job highlight. You can see here you must knowledge of MS Office, MS Excel and PDF editor etc. Your responsibility you can see and learn and preferred candidate profile is this one and the role is data engineer and your qualification is you must have completed your BSc in computers, BTech, BE in computers, BCA in computers. A skill required and this is a skill required like data analysis, analytics, data modeling, data warehousing, data extraction and data architecture and business intelligence. How to apply these job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job as a software developer from uh, uh, software developer and qualification need like you have completed your BE and MCA only and the technical skill need like MBC, ASP.NET, C Sharp, JavaScript, CSS, and SQL Server. Your responsibility is this, and you can see here, this means software developer, .NET developer. Okay, this is your roles and responsibility here. One and how to apply this job. You simply click apply now, and you fill the detail. One another job as a Android developer and qualification need BE and MCA. Technical skill just like same MBC, ASP.NET, C Sharp, JavaScript, CSS and SQL Server. And how to apply this job? You simply click apply and now and you fill the detail. Our next job as as a data analyst from Hyderabad location location uh, and this is your job description and your communication skill must need and this is your responsibility roles and responsibility here and your basic qualification you must experience of 1 to 3 year of experience in SQL RDBMS computer science math and statistics. Okay, you must knowledge of Python, Java and C++, knowledge of basic statistics and all and preferred qualification you must completed your technical skill and you this and how to apply this job you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job from PNG is hiring for summer internship program for IT and the location is Mumbai, Maharashtra and the job location is Mumbai and this is your job description and this is your roles and responsibility for intern and 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 this is offer from PNG. How to apply this job? You will simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is from GE Healthcare. GE Healthcare is hiring for engineering a specialist, and this is engineering a specialist for a testing engineer. This is your roles and responsibility, and your education qualification, like you have completed your bachelor degree. And how to apply the job? You simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job from Zoho. Zoho is hiring for software developer, uh, and a skill set required C, C++, and Java. Year of year of experience need 0 to 3 year of experience. This is your job description, and this is a 2024 graduates will not be eligible for this role. And how to apply this job? You simply fill all the detail like full name, email id, mobile number, official date of birth, degree, department, year of graduation, name of college, a skill set, notice period, current ctc, expected ctc, total year of experience, and all. And uh, and after you have submit your resume, and after you submit, you have simply click submit button and you fill all the detail. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone.